And hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hey, if it's your first time, welcome. Don't leave before you subscribe. Yay! So today we are doing a Valentine's Day inspired look, you know, for those that actually have plans on Valentine's Day. And yeah, or even if you don't have plans and you're gonna be sitting crying watching a romantic comedy like some of us alone, you know, maybe you want to do it in style and look good while doing it. So stay tuned, let us bring you guys a little bit closer, and yeah, let's get started. So first we're gonna start off by priming our face using this LA Girl Pro Prep, and yeah, it's almost finished. So and now that we are done priming our face, we are gonna go on to foundation. So today I will be using this Clarins, my favorite. It's a Clarins Everlasting Foundation in the color Nutmeg 117.5. And just should start with my brows, but whatever. It does the thing, say it's my favorite. I really love it, and a little bit goes a long way. Okay, that was the foundation, and now we are going to move on to our non-existing brows. And I'm just going to brush them up a bit first, and I will be using this very dirty, don't judge me, Wet n Wild palettes, very cheap eyebrow palettes. Also my face. Today I feel like I'm just using my face, and yeah, with the angled brush and just go in. Okay, so I made my brows too dark. But we'll work with it. So I'm gonna clean them up using this from MAC. It's NC45, so concealer or whatever. And I'm just gonna clean them up. Okay, those are our brows. They're too dark, but alright. And we clean them up. Notice you can't see any concealer left. Okay, I'm tired of seeing like dark brows and then that thick concealer. Okay. Next on, we are going to move on to our eyes, and the eyes make a look. So we are going to start by basing our eye using this black opal palette, eyeshadow duo, and yeah, just with the brown. And I'm gonna mix them together and just put it on my lid. Okay, yeah, this Never Say Never powder blush from MAC, and I know it says blush, but we're using it on our eye today. We need that pink because it's Valentine's Day, and we're just gonna put that on top of the and then we're gonna take it again and put it on our bottom here. Okay, so that is the eyeshadow look. Just a bit more. Yeah, and this is where the beginner friendly portion ends. I call this beginner friendly because this is what I do every single time when I go out, when I'm lazy to actually put in effort, or when I'm late. Yeah, obviously there's mascara and lipstick that is also beginner friendly, but yeah, after this, yeah, so now we are gonna just extend it a bit more and become extra because that's how I am. And we are just gonna take this, the red again, and just take it a little bit higher, because now we're gonna make a not a really complicated eye look, but a more Anyway, we extended it, and now we are going to cut our crease. And the way we do that is you take concealer, a light one. I'm going to be using the LA Pro Conceal, LA Go Pro Conceal in the color, I think this is Warm Honey, I'm not sure. I can't see the color. I know all my makeup is dirty, guys. Please don't. My brushes are clean. Yeah, anyway, so we're just gonna squeeze that out a bit and then put some on our brush. Oops. And then this part you really want to be careful, so we're gonna put it. So I ended up cutting it all over, cutting my crease, because I wanted to do it halfway, but I messed up. But we'll work with it. Right, next we are going to be using this from Colors, and it's from Foschini. Foschini, it's a cheap brand from Foschini. I know nothing is cheap at Foschini, but we found something cheap. Yay. So we are gonna mix this color and this one. Some of them have already fallen out, I know, but yeah. And then I'm just gonna do it halfway with the sparkly color and just pack it on, not swipe, because our concealers are fully dried. Okay, yay, our eye look is coming together. Then we're gonna go we're gonna go back in with the blush. And where's that brush? Okay, found it. So we're gonna take that and put it on the outer part. We took the light pink in the inner corners, and we're just gonna take this and just blend it in. Okay, that is our eyeshadow. Okay. And then now mascara. I'm gonna be using this. I think it's from Maybelline. I don't know, I stole it out of my sister's makeup bag, but I like it. It makes your eyelashes long. The eyeliner, because I want this look to look soft and, you know, just girly, and I feel like eyeliner will toughen it out. Okay, those are our eyes. If you like false lashes, you can put them on. I don't want to waste 5 hours trying to put them on, so I'll stay clear. Now we are going to conceal, and using that, I usually use the shade, which is almost finished, but today, since I want a warm feel to my face, I'll use this one, which I usually stay away from, but today we are using... Sorry, I didn't even talk about my brushes. This whole set was from Amazon. It was really cheap. Obviously, not all of them work properly, but it was really cheap, so we can't complain. See, it's like very yellowy, and yeah, it's for when I want my face to kind of glow. And then next, going into the same palette, sorry, this is the MAC Dark Corrector and what palettes. I'm gonna go to the darkest one and just contour with it. And then we are going to just blend that out using the sponge that I got from Forever 21. Okay, now we are blended out to perfection. We are gonna use blush. Sorry, we are gonna set our concealer. And I'm going to be using this Yardley Loose Power in the color Caramel. It's a bit too dark for me, but it's fine because it is gonna help with the warmth. The warmth was too much. I don't want to be looking yellow, but I like the fact that I'm glowing. It's not using a concealer that's lighter, if that's way light for you. Like, no, you're gonna end up looking like a ghost. It's just finding a warmer tone concealer, like one that just looks sun-kissed.
And there is fake blushing. I do warmer than
Warmer, isn't it? Apparently people don't know what it means. Warmer is like, I don't know, you can see when something is just warmer. And when it looks yellowy, yeah, okay, all concealers look yellowy, but when it just looks golden, that's the word, golden. Over my face. Okay, that was that. And then next we are gonna, oopsie, something fell. Next we are gonna use blush to add some color to our face, and honestly this is the best part to make it, you know, all girly and pink. So I'm gonna use this blush that I got from China City a long time ago, and I used the center part. I know it looks like kids makeup, don't judge me, but yeah, just
it is probably
this I want a lot of. It's Valentine's Day, we are trying to look cute and pink and glowy, and yeah, well, this is an overkill, but now that we are pink. So now for the lips, I lost my pink lipstick, so I will improvise. Okay, we are going to improvise. So don't do this, just rather get pink lipstick. I can't find my pink, and I really want pink lipstick. I don't want any other color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that blush, and this is not a concealer, this is a primer from Clarins, or you could mix it with Vaseline. I think Vaseline would be better, but now I have to go look for Vaseline, so you know what, it's fine, whatever will work. Okay, and then just gonna, oopsies, should have started here, and just, I think that's gonna come out red. Yep, it came out red. And anyway, it's not bad, we'll work with it. I have red lipstick. Ugh, but whatever, you know what, we already here, we already this far.
not everybody's got friends.
We'll just, no, makeup is about improvising, making whatever you have work. It's actually not bad.
Bad.
Yeah, and it looks like a natural pink. It's not making my lips look like they have makeup on. I mean, they have lipstick on. Just looks like a, I don't know, like a balm. Okay. They don't come out bad, you see? Yay! 10 points for improvising. Okay, next we are gonna highlight. Do I even have a highlight here? Now makeup is all over the house, guys. It's just all over the place. So I'm gonna improvise again. I've been improvising. Going back to the shimmery palette from Colors. Take this one. And yeah, next time I'll be better prepared. I promise. Everything will be here. And just... Okay, I don't know if it's showing on camera, but it's actually glowing. Yay! And yeah, so... Oh, setting our face. So I'm going to be using the MAC Prep and Prime to... I like this because it makes your makeup glow more at the same time it's setting it. So yay! Okay. Ooh. So I'll be right back. Let me go fix my hair. And yeah, we'll be right back. Okay, and that is our Valentine's Day look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys have an amazing Valentine's Day. Some of us it's fine guys, it's our lives. But anyway, please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment down below any other looks or any other type of videos that you want to see. And yeah, yay, bye.